here's my new table. I'm very excited. It's just the one from Amazon. So we're going to unbox it here and I'll show it to you when we set up. It is fully put together. It's fully connected. So there's no, like, all I got to do is open the legs. So back in a second.
Hi, baby.
So here's the desk. It's fully standing up right now. Ignore my messy room. It's going to go here where that computer was sitting. And again, ignore my mess. Here's the finished look. My little feet thing. And then this is like my workstation. So it fits perfectly. It's a little longer than I wanted it because of the door edge there, but it's just a closet.
Alright, so taking it out of the box, this styrofoam, you know, it makes a little mark on it, but it comes straight out of the box. Packaged pretty well. Got some extra feet for the legs down there. You just basically open it right up. It's hard to do with one hand. Yes, it's spring-loaded. And then when you want to fold it in, you just kind of...
Excellent product, sturdy, as expected. No real complaints, just a little pricey, but doing what it has to do. I have a very high chair in my room. The table is high enough to accommodate it.